Awoo-wah. Motorcycle girl is awesome. Ahahaha. Look at the crazy girl. Look at you, look at you. Wow, ha ha ha, wow, it's good. Ha 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 ha. Fell. Take me to sea. 260 reversing. Please pay attention. Shit. I can't drive this car. Shit. It's the kid who pulled him back. See, I even turned this way a bit. Looks like it's not working. Hey me, it's all the same. Doesn't work. Doesn't work for you. Scared me to death. Northeast isn't a small size, you know. This good car needs more materials. I wasn't the one who parked on the side of the road. It's the car from building 9 again. Turned. Couldn't turn. Pinned me. The driver in the driver's seat is fine. The passenger is also fine. I was sitting in the back. Slight muscle strain. I'm not. We're done, don't come over. Come on, show off. My heart is beating. Love is burning, burning, burning. What kind of car is this? Wow, this is real. Everyone saw this one on the WeChat public platform. Right. He said to exercise. Feeling ready for physical activity. I feel like I'm getting old. I totally understand this. I remember when I was in school, I rode my bike all day. I probably rode several 10 kilometers during the day. About 30 or 50. I don't quite remember. Anyway, that day basically I just ate and didn't dare to run. I ran. I was towed. There's no use if you run again. You've run past me. Come on, I'll run with you, come on, come on. Come on, run, come on, right? Get down, run, run, not allowed to run. You can't outrun me, you can't beat me, Bella.